Masa cuma satu? Kebanyakan yang ini loh. Oh, you udah. Oke, did you ready? Okay, what I'll take an admin. Ah, your mic, your mic, your mic. Hey, you mute.
Sorry.
Okay,
I
let me
forget
start.
to turn on my mic.
Okay, let me start. Naufal Wahyuda. Okay, good. Okay, good evening, everyone. We have a simulation of interviewing of SBN Poltekbar 2024. In this evening, we have a participant named as Naufal Wahyuda. Our second of participant, we have a three of role for our simulation and interview. In the first one, I will give you an answer. Sorry, I will give you a question, then you will answer. And the second one is about that your language, please using in English in full. But if you don't have any way again, you can use in Indonesia, but it is much better for using in English. For the third about the time, we have a 15 minutes to asking and answer, and we have 5 minutes to reviewing that you answer. Okay, for the first question is about yourself, Noval Wahyuda. Please introducing yourself.
Can I start from now?
Yeah, please.
Okay, let me introduce myself. Can I introduce myself in Japan, in Japanese?
Of course, of course.
Okay, but just introduce myself.
Yeah, yeah. Never mind.
はじめまして、私の名前はナオファワユダです。よろしくお願いします。
はい、どうぞよろしくお願い
Maybe,
します。
maybe, maybe, maybe just that. And I will continue my introduce myself in English. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Gamal village. Uh, maybe just that.
Where is Gumal Village?
Uh, sorry, can you repeat that
Uh,
question?
where is the Gumal Village?
North of Puyung village.
Oh, Puyung, Puyung. Yeah, yeah. I know Puyung, but I don't know Gumal. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, for the next question is about the tourism. What the meaning of tourism for you, Noval Wahyuda?
Tourism. Tourism is one of the largest industries in Indonesia. Indonesia is known because its beautiful culture, language, and nature, especially Lombok. The tourism industry is even growing better because of the digital era. So someone will easily reach the destination they want to visit. And fortunately, Indonesia is one of the most visited destination in the world. Over the last few years, Indonesia is one of the best tourist destination. Especially now, Indonesia has five super priority destination, and one of them is Mandalika.
Okay, for why you choosing tourism, Noval Wahyuda?
Because let me think about that. Just a minute. Choose tourism. Sorry, can we skip that question?
Why? Why you want to skip that questions? You don't have any reason why you choosing in Poltek Paralombok.
Maybe.
Okay, not yet that you creating. Maybe later you can create it with English. Okay, next for the your majoring in question. What your major choosing in Poltek Paralombok, Noval Wahyuda?
I choosing room division.
Room division management. What did you know about room division management?
Room division management is can I explain that in Indonesia?
Okay, never mind.
Room division adalah salah satu jurusan di Politeknik Pariwisata Lombok yang berfokus pada eh, pengetahuan tentang housekeeping dan resepsionis. Mungkin itu saja, Pak.
Okay, thank you. Why you choosing room division? Why don't you choose the culinary art or food and beverage service or travel arrangement?
Why I choosing room division? Because I have an experience in hotel maybe 1.5 years, and 1.5 years. Sorry, can I explain that in Indonesia again?
Ya.
Jadi di sini saya punya pengalaman di hotel itu selama 1,5 tahun, tepatnya di Golden Palace Hotel Lombok. 5 bulan sebagai training dan setelah itu 1 tahun sebagai casual di bagian room attendant. Dan kenapa saya memilih room division di Poltek Parlombok? Karena saya ingin lebih mendalami tentang apa itu resepsionis dan apa itu lebih dalam tentang housekeeping. Eh,
Oh,
karena kelak setelah saya lulus mungkin dari Poltek Parlombok, saya akan memilih untuk melanjutkan kerja di kapal pesiar. Mungkin itu saja.
okay. For the next question is about a randomized question. Pertanyaan random. So, what the name of the director of Voltec Parlombok?
Dr. Ali Mostathom, SSI, MSc, PhD,
Okay.
PhD.
Okay. What the name of Wamen Parekraf?
Nadiem Makarim, is that correct?
Astaghfirullah. Okay, this was wrong. Okay, you can find on Google what the name of Wamen Parekraf. Wamen Parekraf, not Men Parekraf. Yeah.
Oh, I I can hear that. Sorry.
Okay. If the Men Parekraf, did you know the name? Men Parekraf.
Nadiem Makarim, Men Parekraf. No, no,
Astaghfirullah.
no, no, no.
Nadiem Makarim is the
Nadiem Makarim.
tourism. It is the for Ministry for Education. Nadiem Makarim. But Men
Hmm.
Parekraf is Menteri Pariwisata dan Ekonomi Kreatif.
Oh, I don't know about that because I
Okay.
never searched
Okay,
it.
maybe later you will find that on Google.
Of course, of course.
Don't say Nadiem Makarim later ya. Ya
Yes.
Allah. Okay. Next. About your major in the room of division. What did you know about room division? The order. What happened in the housekeeping and front office doing?
Sorry, can you translate that in Indonesia? Translate that question in Indonesia.
Okay, repeat my question. So about tentang housekeeping dan front office, apa sih menurutmu housekeeping dan front office itu?
Nih, nggak mau ah, nih, coba nggak?
Jadi, so I will explain one for one of that. Can I explain that in Indonesia?
Please.
Uh, thank you. Front office atau resepsionis adalah salah satu departemen yang ada di hotel yang tugasnya adalah untuk melayani tamu pertama kali tamu datang ke hotel. Baik tamu itu baru turun dari mobil sehingga tamu itu menuju ke kamarnya. Setelah itu ada departemen housekeeping. Housekeeping adalah salah satu departemen yang ada di hotel yang bertugasnya untuk menjaga menjaga memelihara dan membersihkan seluruh area hotel. Baik itu lobi, kamar terutama dan eh, sekitaran area hotel.
Okay, for the next question is about your focus on your internship dan Golden Palace Hotel. Untuk pertanyaan selanjutnya tentang internshipmu di Golden Palace Hotel. What the type of room that Golden Palace Hotel have?
Sorry, can you repeat that question? I can hear that.
What the type of room Golden Palace have?
Golden Palace have 9 type of room. The first is deluxe. The second is junior suite. The third is executive suite. The fourth suite. The fifth is the president suite, and the last just 5 type room.
Not nine, yeah. Okay, for the making bed, what the type of making bed that you using?
Maybe 3 minute.
Not the time. Time. We have American. We have intercontinental method for making bed.
Sorry, can you translate that in Indonesia?
Uh, tipe-tipe making bed di Golden pakai apa sih?
The first is king bed, you
Oh,
know.
maksudnya jadi metode making bed itu kan ada beberapa ada. Ada yang
Oh,
American service, ada yang
I
tipe
I
Amerika
I use
using
the
blanket.
American
Hmm,
apa? American style.
Oke, oke. Okay, thank you. You done next to the question. We have a lot of time to the other participant. So, what happened in the future that you ever graduate from Poltekpar Lombok? Mau ngapain sih besok ketika udah lulus dari Poltekpar?
After I graduate at the Polytechnic, Tourism Polytechnic, I will try to find a job in a cruise ship.
Wanna move to the cruise ship, right? Oke,
Move cruise ship.
ya mau ke kapal pesiar nantinya. For the last of question is about your business. Maybe have you ever creating some business or on the future you have willingness to creating some business?
I never think about that. Maybe I will think after I come into Poltek Lombok.
Oke, apakah kamu punya kepikiran nggak sih buat bisnis nanti ketika sudah lulus dari Poltekpar?
Mungkin eh, ada.
Oke, what is business? Bisnis apa?
eh Kemungkinan setelah saya lulus di Poltek Lombok, saya ingin berusaha untuk membuat suatu villa khususnya di bagian Lombok Selatan. Karena potensi di Lombok Selatan itu penginapan itu lebih meningkat drastis daripada sekitaran Mataram ataupun tengah-tengah di sini.
Okay, thank you so much Yuda for your answer. We have seven of your answer. Thank you so much. We have a reviewing time now. Kita lanjut ke sesi review. Jadi untuk jawabannya Yuda for that your answer, introducing yourself using in Japanese, it is good. It's no, itu bagus. You can langsung aja jadi mix with Japanese and English. So you can don't need to cut that you're introducing ya. Jadi nggak usah kepotong nanti. Bilang aja campur bahasa Inggris sama bahasa Indonesia. So hajime mashite watashi wa Salman alam tomoshimasu. Eh terus yang masalah I'm 18 years old langsung campur dia ya. After that dozo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. For the seconds about that you're in tourism ya. Pengertianmu tentang pariwisata. Tadi udah oke. Cuman eh, cuma perlu dikutip aja nanti ya. Kamu baca itu dari mana? Oh,
Hmm?
kan tadi tadi ada data-data yang kamu bilang bahwa Lombok adalah salah satu destinasi favorit. Kemudian Indonesia sedang membuat cake Mandalika dan seterusnya. Mungkin kamu bisa memberikan, like citasi. Citasi itu sumber sumber bacamu dari mana gitu. Have you ever read setelah saya baca di sebuah berita dari Kompas misalkan, atau dari Tempo, atau dari Badan Pusat Statistik, ternyata Lombok merupakan salah satu tempat yang tadi yang dibilang sama Yuda ya, yang Cake Mandalika gitu. Salah satu dari tempat prioritas khusus, prioritas minat khusus. Itu kan salah satu dari keputusan Kementerian Pariwisata gitu ya. Oke, after this, what your room division management maybe Yuda, you get into trouble maybe tadi ya. Ada sedikit masalah tadi, masalah alasan kenapa pilih divisi kamar. Okay, why you choosing in room division? You can say because I have a field same as your vocational school gitu. Saya punya basic yang sama di vocational school di SMK saya. Saya punya, maksudnya korelasi gitu. Jadi hubungan antara si vocational school SMK dengan kampus itu connect. Kenapa pilih divisi kamar? Karena dia connect gitu, bilang aja gitu ya. Why choosing a room division? Have a connected my or continue my study and vocational school on akomodasi perhotelan at SMK ITY GMC Puyung. Gitu ya.
Where do you know about my school?
Udahlah biasa aja dah. This is my this is my student guys ya. Jadi ya gitulah, my student at my vocational school. So next I think enough Yuda ya, mungkin itu aja. Sebisa mungkin pakai bahasa Inggris Yuda ya. But ya udahlah, nanti kalau udah terpaksa baru pakai bahasa Indonesia. Anything else Yuda if you
Uh,
have any question?
no, I don't have any question, but I just wanna say something to you.
What do you wanna say?
Sorry karena bahasa Inggrisnya sekarang ini kurang ini ya, kurang kurang good gitu karena masih kemarin baru kemarin aja fit nih, baru kemarin fit.
In the sick period. Kamu lagi sakit.
Ini juga masih nih,
Ya, ya,
sorry
ya,
lah.
ya,
Kalau
no
fit
problem.
bisa lah saya jawab pakai Inggris semua.
Alah, lah, lah, lah. You can eat the paracetamol first maybe ya. Makan obat dulu. Ya,
Hmm, kurang
oke.
perhatian.
And Astagfirullah, buaya, buaya. Oke, next. Anything else, guys? Yuda, ada lagi?
Ah,
Maybe later lah.
maybe later we meet in Praya maybe.
Oke, oke. When you test, udah tes ya?
Eh, hari Rabu pertama jam 8 bisa kita ketemu besok hari Selasa mungkin.
Besok hari Selasa. Mungkin pagi ya atau siang soalnya kita ada meeting lagi.
Pagi lah bisa. Siang juga saya ada kegiatan.
Nice. Ya udah later ya. Thank you so much Yuda for joining with us in this evening meeting for simulation of interview. Terima kasih udah join pada malam hari ini untuk simulasi wawancara. Good luck ya. Kita doakan Yuda semoga lulus di Poltek Lombok.
Amin, amin, amin.
Okay, thank you so much Yuda. Have a nice night. So take yourself and don't forget to eat your medicine. Jangan lupa makan obat. Ya, see you.
Thank you.
Ya udah, selamat istirahat.